Tayo sa gitni Kaprupo. What's up? Good morning.
Morning.
Long time no see.
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things
What's up?
about the
Good
same
morning. It's me again, Ardubs TV. Guys, meron naman tayong ride.
be okay.
Yung ride natin guys, yung ruta natin galing dito sa Port Rosid papuntang Dubai Marina. Bisitahin natin si Kaprupo, yung samahan ko dito sa Silver Team, yung ginamit natin na jersey ngayon. Puntahan natin siya doon. Bisitahin natin. Tagal na din natin na hindi kasama si Kaprupo sa mga ride. Kaya puntahan na lang natin doon.
Drive just to say I'm alright.
Mag-bike check muna tayo para ma-check natin kung mayroon ba tayong nalimutan sa bike natin. Ito, naka-headlight tayo. Meron din ito yung tubig. Computer natin. Tingnan natin kung ilaw pa ba ito. Hindi pa ito na-charge. Ilaw pa pala. Yun. All set and ready si Canondel. Wow! Outfit check. Ito. Helmet tayo. Tayong light sa likod para safety. Ito jersey natin. Naka-warmer din tayo kasi may malamig pa rin. Winter pa rin dito sa Dubai. Ito cycling shoes din tayo. Guys, ito pa rin yung location natin dito sa Cruise Terminal 3. Sa ito sa Port Rosid. Yan. Pero pa yung cruise terminal. At guys, time check. 6:40 ng umaga. Ngayon, ready na tayo. Bago tayo mag-ride, gusto kong i-shout out. Gusto kong i-shout out yung misis ko doon sa Camiguin, yung mother ko, yung mga kapatid ko, Denbika, Rosemary, Gritsen, at yung kapatid ko dito sa Dubai, John Dubs. Shout outin kay Kapnat, Kaprupo, Kaprubert, Sydney, Ati, at sa lahat ng katarmano nandito sa Dubai, shout out. Ready na tayo. Have a blessed Sunday sa lahat. God bless sa ride natin. Tara guys, let's go!
The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago. I'm taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take the noose off. And you cannot save me, 'cause I don't need.
A few moments later.
What's up? Guys, ride update. Dito na tayo sa bridge. Ito yun guys, share ko sa inyo isang view. Yan guys, makita natin yung dulo ng Burj Khalifa. Ito yung view dito. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Yun. View sa dagat. Kali natin may nag-jogging. Guys, ito pala yung ride natin ngayon. Galing doon sa starting point natin. Pamunta doon sa Dubai Marina, kina Kaprupo. Merong around 32 kilometers. So balikan 64 kilometers. So para rin tayong umikot ng isla namin sa Camiguin Island. Yung ride natin ngayon. Guys, hindi na tayo magtatagal para makarating na tayo doon sa Dubai Marina.
Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for
Layo-layo pa yung ride natin.
Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome, but try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe.
Running truck ito. Yeah.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want,
Guys,
all I need are some better
panatan na natin para makarating tayo dun sa Dubai Marina.
all I need.
Let's go!
And I pray, I believe in a better day. You can see the writing on the pavement. Young kids, they're growing up in basements. Online, a whole new generation. I'ma make mine, so you better go take it. Always, they need a new replacement. Decentralized, can't contain it. We're changing lives, yeah, upgrading. Call it suicide of the older generation. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation.
Tingnan tayo dito guys, sa harapan ng Burj Al Arab. Tingnan guys, sa pala natin nakaraan. Yung view dito. Medyo malayo-layo pa tayo, siguro 1/4 pa yung ira-ride natin para makarating doon sa Dubai Marina. Right, hindi na tayo magtatagal, diretso na tayo.
Yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night? Yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. I wanna taste the pain. I think I'm seeing all red. 2 bullets in the gun, 1 shot to the head. I need a blank space. 'Cause everything is a threat, but I never back down. Man, I'd rather be dead. I'm making love to fate. And she look better in bed. And I'ma rock this life till I take my last breath. I wanna make a change. I got 1 life left, so I'm gonna go down swinging. Don't you forget. Everything is so boring. Can't get up in the morning. I'm so sick of the mundane and routine. I'm gonna break without warning. I wanna taste the pain. I think I'm seeing all red. 2 bullets in the gun, 1 shot to the head. I need a blank space. 'Cause everything is a threat, but I never back down. Man, I'd rather be dead. I'm making love to fate. And she look better in bed. And I'ma rock this life till I take my last breath. I wanna make a change. I got 1 life left, so I'm gonna go down swinging. Don't you forget. I've gotta find a new purpose, something actually worth it. I wanna look in the mirror and like what I see. I'm sick of feeling so worthless. You wanna sink or swim? I'm gonna go down swinging. Look deep within. I get lost in the feeling. I just need a win. I'm going off. I know it's time to make a change, and I can take the pain. You wanna sink or swim? I'm gonna go down swinging. Look deep within. I get lost in the feeling. I just need a win. I'm gonna find my meaning. I can make a change. I wanna play the game. You wanna sink or swim? I'm gonna go down swinging.
2 hours later.
Guys, tingnan natin yung Dubai Marina. Ito yon. At guys, tinawagan ko na si Kapropo. Doon siya banda. Hanapin natin yung location niya. Share ko rin sa inyo yung view dito. Kasi maganda to. Maraming maganda dito na view. Ikot muna tayo guys para ma-share ko sa inyo yung view dito. Tayo sa gitni Kapropo. What's up? Good morning. Long time no see. Kita ni Kapropo. Hello po ni Kapropo. Ganda ng view dito sa Dubai Marina. Wala ka rin biyahe ngayon, Kap? Baka mamaya. So, nakarating na tayo sa yate ni Kapropo. Katagal ko na rin hindi nakapasok dito sa yate. Yung doon pa sa Inarasid Marina.
A few moments later.
Guys, natapos na tayo pagbisita ni Kapropo at nagkausap-usap lang kami sa loob ng yate. Hindi din tayo nagtatagal guys kasi 2 oras pa yung biyahe natin pabalik. Guys, ito, pauwi na tayo. Let's go!
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt.
Guys, what's up?
Never
Guys, successful ride natin. Nakabalik na tayo dito sa starting point natin. Time check guys, 10:50. Around 4 hours yung ride natin. Nakabalik tayo dito. But thanks God, successful yung ride natin. Na-meet natin si Kapropo. Nakabisita tayo sa yate niya doon sa Dubai Marina. Wow! Ang ride pala natin is 37.6 miles or around 60 kilometers yung ride natin.
Oh my God!
At guys, gusto kong magpasalamat sa inyong pagsubaybay at pagsuporta. At kung bago ka pa sa aking channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and don't forget also to hit the notification bell button para updated ka sa mga bagong videos. Guys, hanggang sa muli. See you next time for more videos. Bye-bye!
We'll go through the wastelands, through the